Hi guys, Duff Palmer here from Palmer&Company International. Now we've got some very exciting news. We're going to be joining you this year at Hair Expo in Australia. Now before I tell you about the details, I'm going to introduce you to the team that I'm bringing over, my creative team.
Hello everyone, my name is Greta. I'm one of the educators at Palmer&Company International and I will be with the team over to Australia this year. It's going to be fantastic. We're going to have a lot of fun together.
And the guy to your right.
Hello guys, my name is Thomas and I can't wait for this year because, as you know, we're gonna be there at Hair Expo Australia. I can't wait to see you all there. Have a good time.
Alright, fantastic. So, now that takes us to the Sunday, our seminar day. This is where we're going to show the method behind our new collection. Now, if you want to experience that collection, join us on the Monday. We have an all-day workshop. It's going to be a fantastic time. Guys, we'll see you all soon. Bye.
See you in
See you
Australia,
soon.
guys.